It's a different cooking show. It's a different cooking show. This was 2 weeks ago. We wasn't even gonna show y'all this, but we might as well. Happy New Year, right?
I had a really hard time finding decent looking greens. No. Yes. We got a chuck roast.
Yes.
And we got some neck bones for the greens.
We got neck bones for the greens, y'all. Neck bones for the greens.
Okay, let's check in on our greens. Okay, this is like the beginning cooking stage of the top layer of greens. Check in time. Check on the greens. Yeah. I just tried the greens and they are perfect, perfect, perfect.
All right, y'all, look, check this out. This is a doozy right here, right? The wife couldn't find sweet potatoes.
Well, I couldn't find the red yams.
And there's a difference. You see the difference? The wife was like, should I still cook them? Should I still do it? I'm like, man, let's go for it. Let's see what it is. You know what I'm talking about? Because it is a vegetable.
We're gonna test these out. We have no idea. I mean,
What your mom say? You might have to add a little more.
More sugar. It's hard to sweeten these up. So.
Okay, but you got some.
No.
No? Okay. Hey, y'all know. Hey.
That's for my tea.
Okay. All right.
We got this.
Ah, you got that white killer, huh?
And
okay.
brown sugar.
All right. So that's what it is. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Let's see what this is gonna come out to be.
Wow. Yeah, these are super white. They smell nice. They have a rose, a sweet smell to them.
Oh yeah, it does smell pretty good. Come on, let's backtrack. Look at that.
This is
Look
cornbread
at that.
dressing right here.
So up in here we got the rice to go with that.
Roasting gravy,
That roast.
if we want it. Right.
All right, now this is special right here. Cause see, these are not yams. These are sweet potatoes.
Well, hey, I just did a little research on the internet,
okay.
and these are yams. They're just white yams.
They're white yams. So they're white sweet potato yams.
They're white yams. They're saying sweet potatoes are something totally different.
Okay.
Straight out of Africa.
Okay.
So these are white yams. We've never candied white yams before. This was the first time, so we're going to be trying these for the first time tonight.
Yeah, so and then
perfection.
Yeah. Hey, I know a few people say they got the best one, the best greens, but yeah.
I accidentally put thyme in the potato.
Yeah, so we missing a potato.
So
but
I
we
had
still
to
good
scoop
though.
it out, but it's good now.
Yeah. Smell good. So it's about to go down.
We are gonna try these candied white sweet potatoes. I mean, candied white yams for the first time. Now pick whatever one you want. I think I want this one.
You smell good too. Look at
so
this.
we're used to having the red / orange yams, but like I said, our store did not have those available.
Look at that, y'all.
So we just got
Look at that. Look at that.
And we said we would try these. Now we're trying them. They're hot.
Oh, this going down.
One thing I can say is they are a little more starchy.
I ate the whole thing. And
they're great. They taste good.
Yeah.
But they are a little more starchy than the red ones.
Yeah. Okay, it's going down.
So those work.
Yeah.
Yep,
A++. Let's go, baby.
Yeah.
Get off that camera. I'm ready to eat. Let's go.
Anyway, this is his plate. You have dressing. We have roast, potato salad. We have white yams, collard greens. As mentioned, we're going to be making black-eyed peas for the new year. So, I need to soak my black-eyed peas for about 8 hours. So that's what I'm going to do now. Putting these in my pot that I'm going to cook them in. Then, I'm going to add some water to soak them. We're going to soak these overnight, about 8 hours. Do you guys cook black-eyed peas for New Year's? If you do, leave us a comment. Let us know. Are we the only ones who eat black-eyed peas for New Year's? Yeah, so we're going to soak these, and after we soak them, we're going to drain them and rinse them a little more. I actually decided to rinse them now, so this is my third rinse. Then from here, I will fill this pot back up, let them soak overnight. Drain the soaking water and add new water before cooking. Alright, you guys, so it is the next day and my peas have soaked overnight. So we're gonna start cooking these. So I have a smoked neck bone there. I'm gonna stick that in there for now.
So y'all see I haven't posted anything about the first. They got flyers out there, and hopefully it's the bomb. You know, Majestics used to throw something at Santa Fe Dams. Now they got something called Unity. I seen the flyers. It got a lot of clubs on there. My club wasn't on there, but it was a lot of clubs on there. So it should be a cool thing. You know what I'm talking about? I believe. But the way it looks outside today, New Year's Eve, I don't know what's happening. Got the spirits kind of down. I ain't even charged my car up, so I got to go to the garage and check Becky out. But yeah, where I'm at, it's raining.
Look at that sky.
That's why I got to get my motor for my wipers. My wipers went out when I put Becky in the shop. I don't know if y'all remember that episode. I think I just put that on Instagram, but about 3 years ago, after Becky was getting cut, late night, early morning, and I was trying to defrost my windshields. I should have turned on the defroster, but I hit the windshield wipers. And it was all bad after that, so now I need a motor. So I can't low ride in the rain. But I did buy some window repellent, so I got to put that on there and see if that works. I don't know if it works, but you know, I'm from the old school. I like windshield wipers, you know what I'm talking about? But now it's a new world. They got repellent, so we're gonna see what it do. But as of today, New Year's Eve, no partying for me. We in the house. Better safe than sorry. and it's raining where I'm at. I'm close to the mountains, so no 13s on the concrete for me today, but hopefully tomorrow. You know, I needed some dressing for my tires. This right here, let me show them that. That say water repellent, y'all, because they said in the forecast it was gonna rain, so I was trying to get prepared. So I did get this. Now I gotta go put it on the car and see if it really works.
So we were looking at the forecast. It's showing sunny for Sunday in certain areas, but
Oh, it smells good in here. What's that?
that's those black-eyed peas starting to boil.
Go out, y'all know we recording. Hopefully we can give y'all We Gon' Ride TV footage. You know what I'm talking about? There's a lot of people out there videotaping now, so we didn't fail all the way back, but if it go right tomorrow, y'all get a We Gon' Ride TV video. You did?
What time is it? It's about what, 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock. They tipping though. They tipping though. They tipping though. They tipping though.
Every year now is something different.
Y'all was fucking with us a couple of them years. We was trying to get out there, cars was breaking down, get out there late, miss everything. Then got to get on the freeway and head back. Now, today, it seemed like the clouds is following the lowriders. You know what I'm saying? But for 2023, we had to come outside and show our faces. You know what I'm talking about? How that shit gonna look. And our 13s ain't to the concrete. Even though I got some black-eyed peas, the wife got some black-eyed peas at the house. I can't wait to get me some of them black-eyed peas for the new year. You know, black-eyed peas on New Year supposed to be, it's good luck. You know what I'm talking about? So I gotta make sure I get that, but.
we're still trying to get home to those black-eyed peas. We have not forgot about our chicken, potato salad, and black-eyed peas. Sunday, a good New Year's Sunday, low riding. It was raining to start the day off. It was raining. We didn't think we were gonna make it out there. You know, we didn't think we were gonna stay long. I thought we were leaving because it was raining and I had to pee. Anyway, yeah, a good day of low riding. Back in the house. Still got my We Gonna Ride TV gear on. I got my hair down. You know that's not like me to be in the kitchen without my hair wrapped up. But I gotta do this real quick because I'm working on two things. We've brought our black-eyed peas back to a boil. And I want some okra in my black-eyed peas. Frozen okra. Frozen okra and the black-eyed peas. Yes, that's how my grandmother used to make it.